Hey guys, how's everyone today? So I want to share with you something else I just picked up. So here in the Pilot, I have the OEM Pilot cargo mat. It's okay. What I don't like about it is it's real slick on the back if you guys use this, so it slides around, as you can see, very easily. Doesn't really grip or anything like that, so it's always shifting. Yeah, you could put Velcro on it and all that kind of stuff, but you know the 3D mats I got for the car? Well, they also make a trunk tray for this. Same material as the mats. So I was really excited about that because I love the mat so much. So I went ahead and picked that up as well. So let me go ahead and show you. So here it is. It's just like the mats inside, same texture. Has a great grippy reverse side on it, so it does not slide at all. And it's perfectly cut around the interior here on the trunk or the hatch. So check that out. As you can see, it folds up. Really super lightweight as well. There's a nice branding on it. Nice lip. And it's easier to store this than the Honda one. The Honda one accordions, but it's more rigid. If you see the back here, it's hard to kind of explain, but it's super grippy. It just grabs on the carpet. So this thing, when you put it down, it sticks. I love the texture to it. Feels really good. And it has a different texture than the OEM one. So when you put stuff on this mat, it's not going to slide around either. But the Honda one is so rigid and hard, a lot of things just slide as you drive, so you have to secure them. So here's how it is. Third row down. All expanded there. Really nice. Now this has been folded, so it'll lay flat once you lay it out here, but just want to go ahead and show you. Super grippy. To shift it, you have to kind of lift at least half of it up to reposition it. That's how much it sticks. Really nice design here. Easy to hose off if you spill something on it. Like I said, the Honda one I'm not impressed with. It's heavy. It's awkward if you go to hose it off. It kind of, because it's so big, where this kind of folds up a little square like you saw. So I love the texture on these things. Like I said, it's probably one of my favorite mats, the 3D. Know a lot of you guys use them. Great. If you can see here, it goes all around this. And like I said, it'll lay flat once it sits out for a little bit. Like I said, if you have to use a third row, it's easy to take out. Here's with the third row up. So as you can see where the bend is, I mean, you could have it like this if you wanted, and it kind of sticks to the back of the seat because it's that material I was telling you about, how it sticks. If you want to just haul it like that, haul something so you don't mess the back of the seats up as well, if you're hauling dirt, whatever you're doing. But it's kind of designed with the third row down. But I mean, you can use it like this. Like I said, it just sticks right to this as well, just because it's grippy. You don't have to like tape nothing on there, which is cool. So like I said, you could use it like that just to haul something really quick, or just take the whole thing out completely and it just folds up to a little square. So I like that a lot. I highly recommend this mat. Like I said, not even just the cargo mat, but if you guys, for floor mats, you know, check these guys out. Way better looking mat than the truck style mat, even for the Honda Accord. You guys know I love their stuff. Works really good. Great customer service. I'll put a link in the description. Check them out. And here's the mats if you guys don't remember. I did a video on these too. They make these for almost every car. Perfectly cut too, around every portion of the car, which is I like. There's no gaps in it. And it kind of, when you look at it, looks like carpet. Doesn't stick out like a big old rubber mat. Has an amazing texture. I can't really explain. It's different than any other mat as well. So like I said, if you guys are in the market for a mat or you want a better mat, check them out. Again, there's a link in the description for their website. Put your make and model in. They have stuff for almost every vehicle. Like I said, I do highly like these mats for sure. So maybe that'll help you guys out if you're in the market for some. Appreciate all your guys' support. I do. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. I have videos coming out weekly, and I have giveaways as well. So definitely keep checking back. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.